Really quick, here's how to turn fans into a money machine for your music. So someone attends your performance, you do a show, even if you're small. They purchase your merch, they sign up for your email list, what now? Okay? It's time to move on to the next prospective fan, right? No, you're not. So here's the thing. If you send your present customers, your present fans, a promotional offer for even older releases and items, older shirts, back stock, anything that you have, remember this for the future, you're gonna be able to make a lot more money from those people who are already fans, okay? Now your old project might seem like old news, but to a new fan, it's refreshing and entertaining. He or she likes your music and has even purchased your latest stuff or listened and given their time. So you don't wanna deprive them of the joy of getting to know more of your music, both old and new. It's all new to them. You can sell it to them still. So while the music sales market is ripe, strike. It's called upselling, all right? If you want to quadruple your sales, you need to start doing it. Offer them USB drives with unreleased songs, all kinds of stuff. You got this. I'm Rob Level. This is Smart Rapper. You just got a little bit smarter. Keep hustling. I'll see you at the top.
Just for you, in case you didn't know, in the description below, I have over 150 courses. I do one-on-one live calls and build blueprints and strategies out for artists like you who may need it. And I also do music promotion. But on top of that, you want to get some free downloads from Smart Rapper? All you got to do, click the link in the description. Keep hustling. I'll see you at the top.